everybody, Rachel Francois here, and I just want to share a little information with you about property transfers. And I'm not a lawyer, I'm not pretending to be, I'm not giving you legal advice. I get asked a lot about what to do with your loved one, like your parents, whatever, grandparents' property, before they die or after they die. Is there somehow or some kind of way to protect it, or make sure that it's easier after they die to handle transferring it, the deed, etc. So anyway, basically a friend of mine was going through this recently, and her mother had some acreage, but if they sold it, then it would affect how much Medicaid she qualifies for. And if they transferred it before death, same thing. So it could affect. However, they were talking to an attorney about a ladybird deed, which is also called the enhanced life estate deed. So they were looking for alternatives to transfer that property or deed it to the heirs without the owner losing control of it in a way, and also not having it affect the Medicaid. So if you're in a situation like this, talk to an attorney. But there's a great article right here I'm showing you from the realestate.com, texasrealestate.com. I just searched the site for deeding property, and it says transferring property prior to death. I'll also post a link in just a second, but it talks about some of the cons, some of the pros, and then alternatives like that ladybird deed. So everybody's situation is a little different. So what works for one may not work for another, but just know there are some alternatives if you are facing this. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.